Hi, I'm Izzy Maybe. The Phoenix Feed cast has been working on some videos for you. This week we have the Sour Challenge. If you want to join in, post your own video response with the hashtag #SourPhoenix, and we will choose up to 3 clips next week to share. Now over to Ryley for the challenge.
So I'm here with my brother Easton, and we're going to be doing the lemon juice challenge. So the point of this is to keep a straight face, not laugh, because I can pretty much keep a straight face. It's just I start dying laughing because I take myself too seriously, you know? Okay, don't spill it.
Okay, that's enough, and you spilled it.
Calm down, it's fine. And there's a bowl over there in case you throw up. Wait for me. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, he wins.
Hello, fellow people in your homes. I am here for school news and for humorous jokes. Because where's the fun in that? Today's joke I have so far, what's a wood that's taller than you? Mr. Sherwood. So that's all I have for today. Stay home, stay safe, and stay humorous. Bye-bye.
Hey, so some of you may be wondering, what do us teachers do when we're not doing lesson plans and teaching? Well, for me, I have to practice my instruments. We can be more than just students. We are leaders, we are phoenixes.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you, honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. I just can't believe the loveliness of loving you. I just can't believe it's true. I just can't believe the wonder of this feeling too. I just can't believe it's true. Ah, sugar. Oh, honey, honey. You are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Oh, honey, oh, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. When I kissed you, girl, I knew how sweet a kiss could be. I know how sweet a kiss can be. Like the summer sunshine, pour your sweetness over me. Pour your sweetness over me.